Gold and silver traded with a bearish bias. We have seen gold taking support from 2024-25. I have mentioned very clearly earlier in the day that below 2030 we can sell, but then 2024-25 is going to be the first support, and likewise for silver 22-20 levels. Now, does it mean that both have found the support, and can we expect a bounce back, or there is further bearishness left in the metals? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell to get the latest notification. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have profited already. Let's start first gold, followed with silver. Watch. And yes, if you have not joined the channel memberships, do join the channel memberships and do join the free telegram channel for live updates. Let's start first to look into hourly charts. Look at the pattern here: drop retracement, drop retracement. Clearly this is the bearish channel in which gold is trading. It has to break now again on the upside above 2035-36 zone. That is the zone above which we can consider that gold is turning bullish, and then specifically beyond 2040-42, the same levels which we have discussed since long are going to play a major role. Moving average is crossing over here on the hourly chart. This is a bearish cross, and we have to watch out more closely how it behaves at around these levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. It can possibly cross over. RSI is rising here. Coming to 2 likewise on the 2 hour charts, couple of bearish candles, couple of retracement candles, lower lows, lower highs, trying to trade in this bearish channel. It has to break beyond 2034 levels, and 2034-36 is the first resistance zone, then 2040-42 critical resistances exist here. And also one must note what gold has done. See, this was the rise, and since then it is traded bearish. Where are the lows now? The lows that could be at around 18 2022 zone. That should be the lows, which is going to be a greater support zone if it continues to trade on the downside. Stochastic rising from the double bottom levels, looking upwards. The MACD is also trying to converge here. RSI is also rising. Signs of bullishness are seen here. Coming to 3, likewise on the 3 hour charts, see a reversal sign, one bearish candle, second retracement candle. Possibly what I see here is, see, look at these candles. These have formed higher highs here. Thus, it may try to strike somewhere in between this zone, that is 30 to 34, and which is going to be a greater resistance. And if you look at these candles, see these candles here, multiple candles fail to break beyond 2034-36 zone, which is definitely going to play a major role. So first of all, is this zone achievable? Yes, it is achievable. Is this going to be a easy task for it to break past by? I find it difficult for gold to now break beyond 2034-36. But also one must look at what it is doing here is lower highs and almost flat bottom here. So it is trying to form a flag. Where are the highs here? Close to 2040. So again, I am saying once again, it is only and only if you see gold staying above 2040 and 42 zone, you should consider this as bullish. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone, trying to recover. The MACD is trading with extreme divergence. Look at the candle size diminishing. It can possibly converge. RSI rising. Coming to 4 hour. Now, one must notice on the 4 hour chart, see, preceding candle was a swing candle with a very small body, and it is coming after a big bearish candle here. Now, second thing is what this current candle has done so far, it has achieved the double top levels. And that is why I say only about 2034-36 zone we should consider gold for a buy, else it is still not to be treated bullish. Second observation here is, see, 2024-25 is indeed a very good support. Two bullish candle, multiple bearish candle took the support from the same zone. Thus, only below 2024 we can expect it to trade slight bearish, but then 2020, 2022 zone, very good support exists here, and then 2014, below which it will turn bearish. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is also rising here. Coming to daily. Now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 29th mentorship batch starting on 4th of March. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. Equip yourself with the tools, strategies, and trade setups which can help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details here. And yes, you can also be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Ping me on Telegram or write an email for more queries on my services, that is mentorship batch or the signals. Do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and many of you have asked me to recommend a broker in which you can trade safely, securely, where the spreads are low, the swap free. It is swap free account, and it is available across the globe. I have recommended it in my channel and video description. The links are there. You can click on the link and enjoy additional benefits here. So do join that. Let's start now on the daily charts. Now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, the crossover between the 20 and 50 period moving average. This is a bullish crossover. Second, what it has done today after this bullish candle, it has taken the support from the same 20 and 50 period moving average. This makes 2024-25 as a very very good support, and hence, and see, the median of the Bollinger Bands is at 2022, and then the next support levels at 2020. So this zone at 18 and 22 is going to be something which is going to remain critical for gold, because below which we will look forward to 2014-2015 levels. Now see, also one must note here, look at these candles beautifully, the lows are aligned, the highs are aligned. Thus again, 2018-2022 zone is something you should watch out for. And if at all gold breaks below 2014-2015, consider that bears are back and a sharp fall can be taken. Also look at the daily charts, drop retracement, drop retracement, drop retracement, lower highs, lower lows. Where are the lows? Far below at 1980 levels. So this today's move is going to be decisive which direction gold wants to take. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is in green. It is trading with very little divergence. RSI is flat. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy gold today at 2034 levels, beyond which, see, 2034, 36 you should be careful of, beyond which only we can expect it to move towards again 2040, 42, the first resistance. And if at all gold trades beyond 2040, 42, that is the point of time you can say that now it is turning bullish, and we can look forward to 2050 levels as well. Remember, as long as 2040, 42 is not there, you have to trade with a 20 pips trailing stop loss. Yes, book 20 pips, re-enter, book 20 pips, re-enter, because it can reverse from any point of time as long as 2040, 42 is not taken. On the downside, a selling entry at 2024, very easy, below which, even as long as 2018, or rather let me say 2014 levels are not taken, you have to put a 20 points trailing stop loss. Though the support levels in between 2020, 2022 is very good, then 2014, 15 is the next support. But if it breaks below 2014, then only you should treat this as bearish. As long as it is respected, you have to put a 20 pips trailing stop loss. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. See, silver on the early charts, after consolidating here for a while, it has started to trade bearish. I have recommended a sell at 2240 today, and beautifully it has traded bearish since then. Now again 2240, which was the support, is going to be a good resistance, and then 2260. It is only to be considered for a buying entry if you see it is staying above 2260 levels. In fact, you can buy 2255 itself. When you see the lower price at 2255, you can initiate a buying entry here. As long as 2255 is not taken, do not treat this as bullish. And then ultimately it has to break beyond 2270-80 zone in order to confirm the reversal. A stochastic rising from the oversold MACD after forming bottom here, trying to reverse. Let's see if it gives a crossover. RSI flat. Coming to 2 hour charts, look at 2 hour charts here. See, double bottom in the preceding candle, signs of bullishness. This candle trying to rise a bit but failing, getting a strong resistance at 2240. See, those who want to risk, see, can buy here at 2240, but ideally I will recommend you to buy here at 2250-55 zone, and then we can look forward to little highs, else it is not to be treated bullish. And yes, remember, a reversal confirmation today is about 2270-80 zone, above which it should be turning bullish here. A stochastic forming double bottom, trying to recover. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3 hour. Now look at 3 hour chart. See, preceding two candles were a big bearish candle, then a swing candle has appeared where it has achieved the lows and trying to rise. So now, as long as, see, 2220 levels are not taken on the downside, we should not be considering silver for a sell as well. Yes, it is not a sell as long as 2220 levels are not taken on the downside. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent in bearish, RSI is flat at bottom. Coming to 4. Likewise, on the 4 hour chart, see higher lows, so higher highs, we have to wait for it to break below 2220 levels in order to confirm the bearishness. Look at the formation on the 4 hour charts here. See, one thing one can notice, bigger bearish candle, retracement, further bearish candles, and this is a series of candles here where the lows are now at 22 for 20 levels. Thus, do not read this as bearish as long as 2220 is not taken. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI flat at bottom. Coming to daily. Now look at daily chart. See, one bearish candle, then see the preceding candle plays a major role because it is closed with the bearishness and at bottom. Today what it has done, with the little highs, it has continued to move downwards. Now see, this candle and this candle can be identically same. Possibility is there that it can hit 2220 and then $22 levels as well, erasing all the gains, because we have seen silver trading in this box here so far, that is 2190 to 2350-60 zone. Yes, it has been trading in this box. It is not yet willing to break out of the box. Second thing is, yes, this is the continuation from the preceding candle. Thus, yes, if you see, it is staying above 2255. That is the only level above which I will recommend you to buy, beyond which we can look forward to 2270, 80, and then a reversal can be confirmed. But right now it is not showing any signs of bullishness as of now. Any signs of bullishness as of now. Stochastic oversold. MACD has crossed over. See, two red candles. Thus a third red candle today can appear, which will take it further down. RSI is bearish as well. Considering this, a buying entry at 2255 only. Do not consider a buy at as long as 2255 is not taken. Do not consider this as bullish as long as 2270, 80 zone is not taken. Two things you should note: only about 2270 and 80 you should consider this as bullish, else prices may fall back again. Remember this fact. Beyond 2280 it is 23, and then 2330, 2320. Chances for such a strong reversal appears to be less. On the downside, a selling entry at 2320 can be taken, but then you have to be cautious here. 2320, 23, 2220, $22 levels are now very, very strong support. 2190 rather, I will say. These levels have proven out to be a great support always and are going to remain a great support today as well. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series, Signals channel. Join the free Telegram channel and do join the recommended broker as I shared in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Europe session update. Watch that update as well.